Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Course Connect. Today's video is for those who are working professional and wanted to advance their career and upgrade their salary package. Today's video is all about Executive MBA program. This program can be done by working professional, those who have 3 to 4 years of experience, and the best part is this program can be done entirely online. You can also do Executive MBA programs without any entrance exams. Yes, watch this video till end, and if you like the video, do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel Course Connect. So let's start. Let me explain you again. This online Executive MBA program are for those students who are working professional and have minimum 3 to 4 years of work experience. And the best part is this program can be done entirely online with top-notch universities. You don't have to quit your job. The top-notch universities are not only from India, there are international universities are also available. Let's discuss the details of Executive MBA program. This program can be from 11 to 24 months depending on which university you are pursuing this program. Now, let me tell you about the fee structure for Executive MBA program. It starts from 1.5 lakhs to 4.5 lakhs. Again, it depends on which university you are pursuing this program, and the fee structures can go up and down with time. To pursue this program, it is very important for you to have a bachelor degree along with 2 to 4 years of work experience. And talking about percentage, you should have minimum 45 to 50% to enroll in this program. If we talk about specialization, you can pursue Executive MBA program in finance, marketing, digital marketing, leadership and strategy. You can also pursue in operation and supply chain management. We get a lot of questions on daily basis, like if we pursue Executive MBA program in online mode, then what will be the salary package? So let me tell you, the average salary package after pursuing this program is minimum 15 to 20 lakhs per annum. So now the main thing is from where you can do this Executive MBA program with top-notch university without any entrance exam. You have national as well as international university options like IIM, NMIMS, Liverpool, Golden Gate and many more. You get all these good options, that too through online mode without any entrance examination. So you do not have to go to all these universities website and check their details. Simply you can go to courseconnect.in website and you can get all the universities details and their programs. In courseconnect.in website, you will get all the approved online universities. So, if you still have doubt whether to do it through online mode or not, you can check UGC notice. UGC has clearly mentioned that the value of online and regular degree are same. So you will get the same opportunity as regular MBA. So this is a golden chance for all the working professionals who want to pursue this program along with their job. So with this, I'll end this video. If you have any questions or query, you can always reach out to us. We are here to help you. You can visit our website courseconnect.in and don't forget to subscribe our channel Course Connect. Thank you.